Alright, welcome back to my Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be directing my viewers and the whole subscribers on how to set up Droid VPN application for a fast, stable and secure connection on all Android devices. So guys, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend, and if you get any problem, the comment section I'm going to leave it open so that you can express your opinion so that I will be able to answer you in any way that will be satisfying your comment. But while commenting, make sure that you follow the community guidelines. Don't just abuse, don't just comment out of the community guidelines. Alright, let me start up the tutorial. I'm going to open the Google Play Store, and then when you open Google Play Store, go where you search from, and then you're going to search Droid VPN. And then if you search Droid VPN, install this application, take note of that app icon, and then take note of the app name, and then after you're going to install this application in your Android device. But make sure that while installing it, you use Google Play Store. I don't recommend you guys, because once you use other means, this application because the full settings won't work. So don't use up to down, don't use those APK pure, don't use those modders. Don't use modded applications, don't use Xender to transfer this application to other devices, don't use file transfer methods. Use Google Play Store so that you can be able to enjoy a fast and stable secure connection. So after installing it, open this application. Keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, informational, demonstration and educational purposes only. You guys are requested to follow the community guidelines, local laws and internet service providers' terms and conditions. Then the first step in this application during the setup, you're going to come right here on those three dashes, and then after I'm going to show you the second step. These steps are crucial. Make sure that you follow them as I indicate them in this video. Come where you have update servers, and then make sure that the message you are seeing is latest up to date. And then after the third step, you're going to come right here where you have those menu icons, and then you're going to come in the settings. Don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe. This application will be working in all countries that support UDP, and if your country does not support UDP, for example those in Uganda, you're going to be activating your SIM cards. If the KYC activation in those countries, for example Uganda fails, we have an option of buying land from home, the *100 *2 *10 *2 hash, and then buy land from home, and then you come back to enjoy a fast, stable and secure connection for increased protection, a secure protection. So you're going to come right here, we have UDP settings, and then you're going to come where we have the first option, remote UDP. In the remote UDP, you're going to put, for me, put there 320, and then the local UDP, just put for me 80. Make sure that before this is the protocol. You're going to first disable this one, and then secondly you're going to disable that one. You're going to first disable this one and then disable that one. The second or the third or another method, you're going to come right here. I have choose UDP mode, choose mode 1, and then the T count, help me and put 1000, and then the R count, leave it as 14. Then after you go back. I was in the UDP, and then because some members will get lost, and this is a step-by-step guide for beginners, so you go back. You're going to come where you have VPN connection settings, and then you're going to come, we're going to enable this one, and then you're going to enable that one, and then you're going to come where you have turn on MTU size port 1024. You're going to enable that one, auto connect, but I don't recommend you guys to enable that. And then you're going to enable that one as mobile data only. But if you're going to use it even on Wi-Fi, you can enable Wi-Fi and mobile data only. It bases on your preferences. So you're going to go back, and then after I'll be done with the settings. But if you don't have an account in this application, you can come where we have accounts, and then you can if you don't have an account, you can go where you have sign up for free right here, and then follow the protocols, and then you will be able to sign in for any account. Then after log into your account, then you press go back, then save. Let me save, and then you come where you have these random servers. Choose a server from that is near to your country's location, but I don't recommend you guys to choose these premium servers because you must pay to use those servers. But I recommend you guys to keep up with the random server. Then after, you come where you have start. Then wait for a few seconds for this application to start. If it fails to connect, this is what you're going to be doing. You can clear the app data, you can switch the mobile data on, you can restart the application, or you can do like this, what I'm doing right here. But you may experience some problems like the server being full and others, but this application will be working in your country, in all countries that support UDP. So guys, connect, and once you connect, for mine it has connected. Those are the troubleshooting steps or tips, and then after connecting, enjoy a fast and stable and secure connection on your Android device. So I sign out.